72-hour water-only fasting, benefits and side effects. A 72-hour water-only fast involves abstaining from all food and caloric beverages for 3 full days, consuming only water. This practice has gained popularity for its potential health benefits, but it also carries risks that must be considered. Benefits. 1. Cellular autophagy. One of the most notable benefits is the activation of autophagy, the body's natural process of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. This is linked to improved cellular health and may lower the risk of chronic diseases. 2. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting helps reduce blood glucose levels and enhances insulin sensitivity. This can be especially beneficial for people with prediabetes or metabolic syndrome. 3. Weight loss. A 72-hour fast induces ketosis, where the body burns fat for energy instead of glucose. This can lead to significant fat loss, especially when combined with a healthy post-fast diet. 4. Reduced inflammation. Several studies suggest that extended fasting lowers inflammation markers, potentially helping with autoimmune and inflammatory conditions. 5. Mental clarity. Some people report improved cognitive function and clarity due to the production of ketones and reduced energy spent on digestion. 6. Immune system reset. Extended fasting may stimulate stem cell production and a temporary decline in white blood cells, followed by a regeneration surge, potentially strengthening the immune system. Side effects. 1. Fatigue and dizziness. During a prolonged fast, lack of calories may cause low energy, dizziness, and difficulty concentrating. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. Without food intake, the body is deprived of essential vitamins and minerals, which can be dangerous if fasting is repeated often or not followed by proper refeeding. 3. Electrolyte imbalance. Prolonged fasting can deplete sodium, potassium, and magnesium levels, potentially leading to headaches, muscle cramps, and heart palpitations. 4. Gastrointestinal discomfort. After breaking the fast, some may experience nausea, bloating, or diarrhea, especially if refeeding is too sudden or includes heavy meals. 5. Drop in blood pressure. Some individuals experience orthostatic hypotension, sudden drops in blood pressure when standing, increasing the risk of fainting. Conclusion. A 72-hour water-only fast can offer profound health benefits, especially in metabolic and cellular health. However, it is not suitable for everyone and should be approached with caution. Consultation with a healthcare provider is strongly recommended, particularly for those with existing health conditions, taking medications, or underweight. Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.